Uncertainty in Pakistan 1 day after former Prime Minister Imran Khan was arrested. He was then immediately taken to prison, sentenced for illegally selling state gifts, which he denies. Khan's political future is now in question as the country prepares for general elections in November. Our correspondent Daniel Khan has more.
The court's verdict indicated that Khan had made false statements about acquiring official state gifts and was found guilty of corrupt practices related to concealing the benefits he received from the National Exchequer.
The court had been providing opportunity to Mr. Khan, but they had been trying to hide behind the technicalities. This was a trial which was supposed to be concluded in 30 days' time, but it took 7-8 months. I think it's an open and shut case. The maximum opportunities were granted to Mr. Khan to cross-examine the witnesses, to produce some evidence, documentary or otherwise, but it is for the trial court to decide. The courts cannot allow hiding someone behind the technicalities and escape the legal punishment.
The arrest marks a significant blow to Imran Khan's political standing, as the verdict could potentially prevent him from participating in the upcoming national election expected in November. Legal experts in Pakistan are raising serious concerns regarding the Tosha Khana case, criticizing the trial court's approach for its apparent negligence of due process and potential threat to democracy. PTI leaders say Khan was not given a fair trial.
Even to the war criminals, to the terrorists, the rapists, and those who do mutiny, the right to fair trial is given. How fair trial was not given? When you say or you think our judgments of the Supreme Court and the law says that fair trial is the sine qua non, it is a precondition for every trial which is to be held. That was not given. The lawyers, they were pushed out of the court and a pleader was appointed. The Constitutional Article 10 says every accused person, every criminal for that matter, has a right to have the counsel of his own choice. But his choice lawyers, they were ousted from the court and a pleader was appointed by the judge. So it was all set up. This has not happened in the history of this region before.
The situation has raised concerns in the lead up to the elections, especially considering the turmoil and clashes that occurred when Khan was briefly arrested in May. But the recent reaction to his arrest has been relatively subdued compared to previous instances of unrest. Imran Khan has faced a series of cases since being ousted from the premiership in a parliamentary no-confidence vote in April 2022. The political future of Imran Khan now hangs in the balance as the nation awaits further updates on this unfolding situation. Daniel Khan, CGTN, Islamabad.